Okay, I'm replacing a screen for Acer Aspire 5733-6629. Uh, um, you have to unscrew the bottom two screws. Make sure they are hidden by the stickers. So you should remove the stickers first, and then you should take something and go around it and peel it, unlock it with all the locks that has been locked by it. And then it has a mountain by side, so there is a 3 screw on the side, so you unscrew that one. So this is a broken screen, so that's why I'm replacing it. So we have a 3 screw on the side, each side, I think. All the screws are unscrewed now, so I'm gonna put it on the side, and you can just lean forward the screen. Then you have to make sure to remove the connector very carefully from this side. And remove the connector and remove the old screen. So this is the old screen. So here is my new screen. I ordered from laptop.com. I think it says, let me see the label, what the label says. It says laptopscreen.com. Laptopscreen.com. So make sure before you install it, we have to check it first. It's working and it's fine. I'm gonna test it first before I'm gonna properly install it. So the connectors are in. There you go, the connectors are in already. So I'm gonna turn on the laptop to see it's working and good to go. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. I'm just gonna test it first. There we go. Come on, my friend. I don't know why it's not turning on. Nothing. So I have to unscrew, and let's see, I have to reconnect it again. Hopefully gonna, so that's the connection problem. So turn it off. Oops, actually the connector is out, so that's why it's not working. So I want to test it first before I fully completely I'm satisfied with that it's working properly. That's why I don't want to retape properly. I want to test it first. Okay, I'm gonna be very careful not to move it. And let's see, it's working now. Oh, there you go. good to go. It's working. Yay. So I tested the screen. The screen is working perfectly. Now I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want to make the video any longer. So turn it off, and then I'm gonna retape it to secure it properly because the old adhesive is not staying anymore. So I have a tape here, just a normal tape, water tape. Just securing the connector. I'm gonna cut it that one. I'm gonna cut the tape. Fix your tape. So the connector is secure now, working. So I'm gonna install the screen now. Install the screen. I'm gonna screw it. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so I don't have to make the video any longer. So I'm gonna turn it one more time to see everything good to go, working. There you go. All good. Everything is clear. Now I'm gonna remove the protected film over here. Okay, we should be okay. Just because I set it down, that's why it's showing like this. I removed the protective film, so I'm gonna install the grill all over it. All right, the screen is installed now. Everything is good to go, and I'm gonna do 2 screws, and then I'm gonna put the sticker back, and the video is done. Everything good to go. Thank you. Bye.